Dad is walking funny in the living room. Bluey gasps. Bingo, look at him. His arms stretch out. His voice is deep. Brains. Hook right away. Bingo hides behind the couch. Dad turned into a zombie. Bluey laughs nervously. No way, or maybe yes. Mini hook. Dad drags his feet closer. Zombious love tickles. He grabs Bluey and tickles her. She squeals with laughter. Mom enters. What's happening here? Dad groans. I'm zombie Dad. Mom smirks. Well then, I'm the brave hero. Twist. She holds a wooden spoon like a sword. Stay back, monster. Bluey and Bingo cheer. Go, Mom. But zombie Dad growls louder. He lumbers after her. Mom dashes around the room. Crash. A pillow falls. Mini hook. Bingo suddenly shouts. We need a cure. Bluey nods. Where's the cure? They search the toy box. A glowing teddy bear rolls out. Bingo gasps. This must be it. Twist again. Zombie Dad corners them. No escape. Bluey bravely lifts the glowing bear. Take this, zombie. She hugs Dad tight with the teddy. Suddenly Dad freezes. He shakes. Then he bursts out laughing. You did it. The cure worked. Mom lowers her spoon. Heroes save the day again. Bingo jumps with joy. We beat zombie Dad. Bluey sighs in relief. That was close. But suddenly Dad tilts his head. Or maybe the cure only lasts 1 minute. Hook drop. He stretches his arms again. Zombies rise once more. Everyone screams, then laughs and runs around the room. Finally Dad collapses on the couch. Okay, cure worked for good this time. Bluey and Bingo flop beside him. Mom smiles. Best silly adventure ever. And hey, if you had fun chasing, laughing and curing zombie Dad, don't forget to like this story and subscribe for more.